In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI. To begin, you will use the HubSpot Marketplace, where the Power BI integration is provided. This is the official place to find and install the app, so everything is set up correctly from the start. On your screen, look for the HubSpot Marketplace, and then navigate to the section for the Power BI integration. Once you locate the correct integration, you will click Install App. Take a moment here to make sure you select the Power BI option, since this is the connector you will use to bring your HubSpot data into Power BI. After the app is installed, the next step is to open the data service that powers the connection. This is where datawarehouse.io comes into play. Go ahead and open datawarehouse.io in your browser. When the site finishes loading, you will be able to start the process that links your HubSpot account to Power BI. Now you will click Start Free Trial. This trial option allows you to test the integration and confirm everything is working before committing to any paid plan. If prompted, review any on-screen details so you understand what the trial includes. Once you click Start Free Trial, you should be taken to the Setup area where you choose your data source. Next, you will select HubSpot as the data source. On the screen, you may see a list of supported platforms. Choose HubSpot, because that is the system where your contacts, deals, and other CRM information lives. This selection tells datawarehouse.io which application it should pull data from, and it ensures the authorization step will connect the correct source. Once HubSpot is selected, you will click Authorize. This is an important step because it confirms your permission to access your HubSpot data. Authorization typically opens a secure sign-in and permission window. Before you proceed, make sure you are signed into the correct environment for your HubSpot account, since the authorization will use the account you choose during this step. After you click Authorize, you will select your HubSpot account. Choose the account that contains the data you want to analyze in Power BI. If there are multiple accounts available, select the correct one to avoid connecting the wrong dataset. This selection is what determines which HubSpot workspace datawarehouse.io will read from. When the correct HubSpot account is selected, you will click Connect. This final action confirms the connection. At this point, the integration should begin establishing the link between HubSpot and the Power BI workflow you are setting up. Depending on your settings, you may see a loading screen while the system verifies access and sets up the available data fields. After the connection is complete, you can move forward with using the integration for your reporting. The key takeaway is that each step builds on the previous one. Installing the app gets the integration in place. Starting the trial gives you access to the setup flow. Choosing HubSpot identifies the correct data source. And authorization plus account connection grants permission so data can be transferred securely. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.